Jai Gurudev. Thank you, children. Today, it is indeed a matter of great pride and honor to be on this platform to introduce the topic of our science exhibition, Mahakal, Timeless Wisdom. Every year, with great enthusiasm, we select a special topic for the annual science exhibition with an intention of unfolding the many layers of knowledge to explore the depth and expanse of a particular topic and then bask in the ultimate glory of the wisdom that these topics reveal. At the basis of every applied scientific knowledge is the immovable, solid, pure science which invariably opens doors for social upliftment. This year was no different. Mahakal, time, the theme, a topic of magnificence, full of mystery, with many seekers have tried to understand. How do we classify these topics? How will young children comprehend the bits and pieces that we ask them to present? Will we lose the essence and link as we proceed? As ironic as it may seem, only time would answer these questions. Initial circulars were sent, interested students were identified, and various topics were allotted. More than 130 exclusive topics based on this theme were distributed amongst the children.
Jai Gurudev, my name is Avika.
This is Khyati Rajesh from.
My name is Laksh.
My name is Saban.
Satya, Daya, Tapa and Dana.
I'm going to speak about Treta Yuga.
According to the Surya Siddhanta,
4.6 billion years ago, Dirium extinct by 10,000 BCE.
I have developed an app.
the earth rotates on its own axis and revolves around the sun.
Different time zones in different countries of the world.
The Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, Neolithic Age, and the Chalcolithic Age.
This is how the civilization started 60 million years ago.
Paritranaya sadhurnam.
So let us fast on Shivratri and
Life originated in water as Matsya.
Let's talk about fossil fuels.
Aham Rama.
Now I am going to project a light from here.
I am from PP1. Thank you.
Models, projects, charts, and presentations were submitted virtually by the children, which were monitored and supervised by the respective teachers. An advantage of professional videography was extended to students who came to school by appointments and presented their models in a studio-like setup. All the videos were edited, compiled, and arranged under various subtopics. With the help from a professional animation company, Broad Vision, these videos were set up in an exhibition-like arrangement with amazing creativity by Yashaswini Mathur, Shaurya Patil, and Roshan Ingole and his team. 17-year-old Yashaswini's insights in classifying the topics, the associated research with some very interesting topics, and her major contribution to the base ideas of presentation added incredible value to the entire effort. 14-year-old Shaurya, a 9th grader, an extraordinarily gifted artist, gave the complete set of sketches on which the entire exhibition setup has been created. Roshan ji and his team from Broad Vision created the entire animation and the final product that you see. Their patience in accommodating our imaginative ideas is to be applauded and appreciated. Our talented teachers scripted a simple yet valuable story for the children in Hindi and Kannada to understand this exemplary concept. A backdrop as a clock dial was created with 12 symbols of Lord Shiva. Props for the skits were also contributed by one of our very talented parents, Mrs. Tanushri. Every exhibition has a value takeaway, that one knowledge point that we want to imbibe in our life. From Mahakal, we wish to understand and underline that there is only one thing that is permanent: change or parivartan. Change is an inevitable aspect of our existence. Time changes everything. Whoever resists change will stop evolving, become redundant, and will slowly perish away. Only with change we evolve and become better versions of ourselves. After this humongous effort, today we have gathered here for the release and inauguration of this exhibition link. Our deepest gratitude to Bhanuma, Annaji, and Commodore H.G. Harsha for their presence, support, and blessings to our school. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.